Joy givers, if you're searching for a super easy, fast, and very delicious dinner, then you want to try this corned beef pasta recipe. It is so good. Into my pot, I'm going to add my herb butter. You guys already have this recipe on the page, and I'm going to add in there lots of minced garlic and onion. The aroma that this gives is just out of this world. I'm going to saute that a bit before I go in with my pepper mix, which is just bell peppers, tatashe, and scotch bonnet for a little heat. And then I start to boil my pasta. I go in with my corned beef, and then I add in my garlic and herb salt. You can just use any herbs of your choice. And I'm just going to stir all of this till well combined, add my seasoning, and cover this to cook on very, very low heat for at least 10 minutes. You want the corned beef and the pepper sauce to be properly cooked and infused into each other before you add in your al dente pasta. Add some of that pasta water so your pasta doesn't stick, and give all of this a really, really good stir. This recipe comes together in under 30 minutes and it is so good. I added some bell peppers and then allowed that to steam together for about a minute. Give this a very nice stir, and joy givers, you can already tell how yummy this spaghetti recipe is. Let me know if you're going to try this. It is perfect for those days when you don't have a lot of time but you want to cook something really, really